How many times you need to go run? Now hold on. The thing about that clip that had me just a little confused is because at first I was like, dang, them prices good. But that was the number to push to get it. Oh, I was like, dang, $2 for some glue. Go back to that clip. Look at these prices. Okay? It's the Detroit way. You see, I thought it said one that say 15, 5, 7. Oh, you
Give me the feedback.
Give me something. That's not bad. Those about those prices. Really? Okay.
Thank you.
The only thing missing in that one is the bucks.
The buffs. They want me to put buffs in the machine? Okay. I can't put no fake shit in there. No. I can't. But thank y'all. Mama, shipping in the store now, 29508 West 7 Mile off Middlebelt. You can find my vending machine. Let's go. Thank you, T-Barb. I appreciate this shout out. I appreciate you. Tell me. Thank you. I'm so blessed.